Alright, what's going on everyone? Tech Tosh coming at you guys with another video. I know it's been a while since I put a video out on my channel, so I'm gonna be releasing a couple of videos, but I figured I'd get this one out as soon as I can because I want to unbox this package and start using it. Figured I'd do an unboxing with you guys so you can see what's in this box. Now, I had a little mishap. I know you guys, a lot of people see my unboxing and kind of a review video on my previous PC headset, and we kind of had a little technical difficulties. Yeah, I don't know if these are going to be very useful anymore. I praised these headsets. I talked about them, how good the quality was, how comfortable they were, which all those things are true. I mean, the quality is great. It's definitely comfortable. Like I said in the video before, I'll have it linked down below if you want to go check it out. I still recommend these headsets for the price that they are and for the quality that you get for the price. I don't think it was faulty. I think I just had a little anger management issues as far as when I was playing, because I went to go take them off my head. I was wearing them like this. Obviously, this is how you wear headsets. Playing Apex, I was like, God damn it, and I just pulled it off with one hand rather than both hands, and I guess it snapped the hinge. It's a little more dangly because I took the screws off trying to see if I could fix it. But what I found out was that the clips on the inside are plastic, so if the plastic clips snap, you're kind of screwed. Long story short, I did some browsing. I wanted to get a different headset just so I can have a variety of headsets that I can kind of recommend rather than just sticking to one. Now, I did some deep research, as I always do, for everything that I purchased, and there was 3 headsets that I came across. I've announced them before on my previous unboxing video with those about the HyperX Cloud 2s. Those were the ones that I was looking at before I got those. Now, I was gonna go straight to those because I didn't get those, obviously, because I ended up getting the HS60s. So I was like, let me get the HyperX 2s. Everyone kind of talks good about them and praises them. So I was like, let me get them. And then I don't know what happened. I ended up falling down some hole and I ended up coming across these other headsets, which I'm about to unbox. I'm not gonna say what they are yet, but I came across these. I definitely like the look of these. That's one of the main reasons why I went for these. I don't like that gamer look. I didn't want to go on Amazon and get one of those cheap $20, $30 headsets, which those are perfect if that's all you need, but I wanted something a little decent, so I was within the $100 range or below. I came across these guys, and I had seen a couple of videos that people talked good about them, but then you read the comments and everyone's like, oh, those are trash. You got to get the HyperX. You can't please everybody. So I was like, you know what? Let me go against the grain. Let me get the ones that everyone says not to get. Not everyone, but a select few people said not to get in the comments of other videos. So I went with these guys. They look good. They have great features, and these are the updated version. Now, a lot of people complained about the older version, which was like 2018. I think these things are like 2-3 years old, maybe even more. But they had an updated 2019 edition, and that's what I ended up getting. I came across a few comments that talked good about the 2019. They updated a few things, I believe, made the cushions a little bit bigger or softer or whatever it was, because people were talking about issues with inside of it touching their ears, along with the drivers, because it has a 7.1 surround sound. It's not actual 7.1, it's like digital, but they updated the drivers to 2.0. I don't know what they were before, assuming 1.0. Long story short, we're gonna check these out together. I'm gonna find out myself because I hate looking on Amazon reviews and other comments on the YouTube videos, and people were talking trash about them, but then some people are talking highly about them. It's like, which one is it? Like, I don't understand how one person can say one thing, another person can say another. So we're gonna get down to the bottom of this, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about them and how I feel about them compared to my HS60s and some of the other headphones that I own as well. So let's get straight into this unboxing. As you can see, as everything I usually get is off Amazon, I got Prime, so I got 1 day shipping on these bad boys. They were on sale. I got them for $74.99. They're normally $100. That's what they advertise, but you know how Amazon changes prices all the time. They try to make it seem like you're getting a deal sometimes, but for $74.99, this ain't a bad price. I mean, like I said, I'm looking at a few headphones within the same price range, and just to name a few, like I said, the HyperX Cloud 2s were one of them. Those were going for $88.99 on Amazon, and then the other ones that I was gonna get were the HS70s, which are the same ones that I got in my review video previously, but they're wireless. Anyways, as you can see, this is what we got here. We got the SteelSeries Arctis. I always want to say Arctic, but Arctis 5. Now, they do have an Arctis 3, and they have the Arctis 7, which is the Bluetooth version. Now, I was going to get the Arctis 7, but it was a little bit over my price range. It was about $130. I believe on Amazon it was like $125 on sale, but typically it's like $130 or $150. So the difference between the Arctis 5 and the Arctis 3
is that these do have RGB lighting, as you can see on the display here on the outer rim. And then I believe the older version, the SteelSeries lit up along with the outer. It looks like the SteelSeries light isn't lighting up on these, which a lot of people said they wish it didn't light up. They wish it was just this. So it looks like they listened to the people and updated that. And like I said, they also come with the volume control knob that allows you to control the chat volume and the actual in-game volume easily through like a knob that you can place on your desk. Clear mic, prism illumination, which is the RGB I was talking about, game chat balance, 7.1 surround sound, RGB gaming headset, yada yada yada. And then you got all these other companies praising the headset like they always do. Good marketing. On the back side here, as I was saying before, this is the volume knob I was talking about that they don't have on the Arctis 3s. Discord certified. The mic feature is pretty neat. I've never seen these on a headset that I've owned where the mic actually goes inside the headset if you don't want it, which is perfect for me because I use my Blue Yeti mic for any recording that I use audio wise. Just being able to put that away and hide that is perfect for me. Plastic tape right here. We don't play games to escape reality. We play to rewrite it. Ta-da! Now, another thing I like about these, as you can already see with the presentation, is that these do rotate. So if you want to wear them on your neck, you can rotate them so they fit comfortably around your neck. Some people said it's kind of tight though because it kind of sits close to your neck. Now, like I've said in my previous unboxing videos of my headsets, I like that very simplistic look. I don't like that extreme gamer-esque style of stuff. It's just a little too much for me, especially being a little bit older. So I like that plain, sleek, black look, like with the HS60s here, which I'll show you. Simple look. Nothing crazy. Got a nice little leather. And then these, same concept, simple. Nothing crazy or extra. Now, the plush on the inside of the ear cuffs are super soft. Doesn't look like you get any extra ones. This is if you want to use it with your phone or whatever, the 3.5 aux cable. And this little baggie here is that volume control thing that I was talking about. Now, they were talking about how you can control the game volume in your actual game chat. So I'll figure that out more. I'll do an updated review video once I get some time using them, figure out how everything works, and then I can compare the quality between my other headsets that I've used. Just standard USB. I guess it's their special custom cord. It's not micro USB. It looks like almost like one of those plugins you have on certain digital cameras. But yeah, I wish it was micro USB so it was more universal. So if something ever happened with this cord, I'd be able to just use one of my micro USB cords. But you know, you can't win them all. It's not braided. It is like a rubber, which I wish it was braided. They advertise that it's got a ski goggle suspension band. So you don't have cushion up here on the headband itself. You got some ski band, which is, it's soft. Obviously it's stretchy, and then you would readjust the sizing or however your head fits. We'll check that out, see how that feels compared to a standard headset that has, you know, cushion and then you just adjust it from the side. These aren't like that, so you don't adjust them from the ear cuffs. You adjust it to fit you from the headband. A lot different. I never messed with anything like this, so like I said, I'm gonna have to try this out, see how it all feels. You got that cool little mic that pulls out, goes back in if you don't want to use it. They also got, like, this is a share port, so if you have a buddy and your girlfriend or boyfriend and you are playing a game or something, or maybe even watching videos or whatnot, you can share the audio so they can hear what you're hearing. And then next to that is the weird port that they have. Then you got the volume control and then the mute and unmute buttons. When you mute and unmute, there's a LED light right here at the end of the mic, so it'll turn red, so you'll know when you're muted when it's red. These are lighter than the HS60s that I own. As I said before, you also can turn ear cuffs in or out. So the one thing I said that they did upgrade was the DTS Headphone X version 2 surround sound. So with the 2019 edition, it is version 2, that's what they call it. I don't know what the difference will be, but I will talk about the quality of the audio in my games. I play Apex, PUBG, games where you really got to listen to the footsteps and where people are. That's going to be crucial for me. So if I can't hear any footsteps, then it's irrelevant what version it is. So I'll let you know what's up with that. You can personalize these to perfection. So it has a software that you would have to download to the website. I'll link all that down below. You can customize pretty much everything from the audio controls to the illumination of your lights if you want it to be a certain color or whatnot. I'm going to use them. I'm going to see how everything works with PUBG, Apex, all these great games, and I'll let you guys know how that goes in an updated video. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys like this quick little unboxing. I'll be coming out with a few videos, as stated before, about some of the things that I upgraded within my office gaming station. Hit that thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know what headset you use or what headset you would recommend. That's it for this video, guys. Y'all stay nerdy. I'm out. Peace.